10 out of 10. My cringe.
10 out of 10.
I would give this a 9 out of 10 because I have really high hopes for the harissa.
10.5 out of 10.
Really love the harissa notes, but I don't know how I feel about the honey. 9.6 out of 10.
10.
7 out of 10. 7.5 out of 10 as a non-pickle person.
We have one more person who will be reviewing this. We're bringing in Marketing Boy.
It's pretty good. Honey harissa. Yeah. 8.5 out of 10.
You heard it here first. This has been the Hot Girl Pickle Review.